Boat ownership involves more than enjoying time on the water. It also includes planning for changing marine risks. Many insurance companies use questionnaires to gather information about vessels and boating activities. A boat insurance questionnaire helps organize important details before coverage evaluations begin. Questions may focus on boat type, usage patterns, storage arrangements, and navigation areas. Organized information helps insurers evaluate potential marine risks more efficiently. Boat owners may also gain a better understanding of factors that affect coverage decisions. Today, digital insurance tools simplify policy research and coverage reviews. Instant online quotes help applicants compare coverage options more efficiently. Instant online binding may help eligible applicants secure coverage faster. Instant online insurance proposal tools organize policy information in a clear format. Reliable planning may help boat owners prepare for changing marine responsibilities. Understanding insurance requirements today may support stronger protection on future journeys.